Naomi, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to create an easy homemade keychain. Let's get right into the video. In this project, you will need a piece of paper, a small plastic bag, scissors, a ruler, and a hole puncher. You will also need stickers, ribbon or string, it's all up to you, decorative pens and pencils, and of course a keyring. Cut off the top part of the plastic bag so it only leaves the top white seam. Here's what it looks like. Put the small plastic bag on top of your paper. Leave a little bit of space around the edges. And trace around the plastic bag, like so. Use a ruler to make your lines straight. Now you can decorate this piece of paper any way you like. Here is what I decided to do. Slip the paper into the plastic bag and zip it up. Hole punch a hole anywhere in the paper. You might want to ask your parents for help. Cut a 6 to 8 inch piece of ribbon or string. Thread the ribbon through the hole and tie a knot. Make sure you do a double knot. Once you do a double knot, give it a small pull. Cut off the excess ribbon. Finally, loop the ribbon into the keyring. And here is your finished product.